Hello and welcome to this quick video to introduce you to the app Companies House Search. Companies House Search is an app in the Salesforce AppExchange which allows you to easily and simply interrogate the Companies House database and pull through lots of information about a business to enrich your account record. You can even display the filing history from their Companies House record on their account record page. This could be a fantastic solution if you are in an industry that requires due diligence to be completed before you enter into contractual arrangements with a client. Let's take a look at how to set up Companies House Search. The setup is relatively simple if you know your way around the back of a Salesforce org. If you don't, then the instructions provided are very helpful. To install the Companies House Search app, navigate to the AppExchange and click Get It Now. One of the perks of the app is that it is brought to us by those lovely people at Salesforce Labs, which means that it is free. The instructions for the installation process are easy to follow and can be accessed when downloading the app. Once you have installed the package and sorted out the API configuration, which isn't as scary as it sounds, then all you have to do is add the relevant elements to the page layout. The first element to add is the quick action, which will then appear as a button at the top of the record. This holds a simple flow that will make the magic happen when we need it. You will also need to create a new section for the Companies House fields that are installed when you install the package. You then need to add a new tab on the account record page named Filing History and attach the Companies House component. This also is provided by the app, so no development required. Let's have a look at what the app can do. We are going to create a new account. On the account record, click on the Company House button we added at the top and ensure that we have found the correct account name. Once you have found the company, double-click to select the box next to it. You will then be given the option to choose the fields you would like to populate with the suggested data. If you have ever used the merge tools in Salesforce for objects like leads, then this next screen will look familiar. You simply choose which data you want to be added to your account record, click Next, and finish. As you can see, the fields have now been populated with the data you wanted to know about the company. If you then click on the Filing History tab, you will also be able to see all of the filings that the company has made and even view them in PDF. And there you have it, all of the information you would need to know about a company, all in one place and easy to access, making filing and account records easy and all without having to ask your customer anything. Thank you for watching and see you next time.